Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Sarai, and I am one of the hosts for this ChatGPT class for beginners. You can see it a little bit. I will share it on a separate post so that way you can see everything and look at the details and everything. But I wanted to just make this short video as short as I could possibly be, because I know I'm very long-winded, but I don't have much time. This is on a timer, so let's just share one interesting thing that inspired me to have a class for ChatGPT, because it is very helpful for me. And my mom, and hopefully she sees this, and I'll tell her to vouch for me so y'all know I'm not making nothing up. But my mom, she's a senior citizen and she is in school, and I told her how I be helping her sometimes. And I don't know nothing about her schoolwork. I've been out of school for a long time, but I help her. I introduced ChatGPT to her. She downloaded the app and she uses it independently. She still calls on me to for help to understand what's going on. What does she do? How does she effectively use it? So I give her a lot of tips and everything on how to use it. She shared it with a few of her friends, and so I was like, I need to do a class for them. And so I told my business bestie, this young lady right here, you see right here, Miss Ebony McGee, and she's a technology expert. Yes, she is your go-to girl for all things social media, any type of techie thing that you need. She knows what she's up to. But anyway, so that is just a little intro or whatever. Please register. It is a cost to it. We said 15, but we understand. It says, you see the details right here. I don't have to go into it or whatever. I will put that information in text or whatever in the description, in the comments or something, on how you can register so that we know. It is an in-person class. However, I know that it may not be convenient for a lot of people. Maybe it's too far or something else or whatever. I do have a private Facebook event, all this week, up until the day. And you can participate online and have access to the material, the things that we're going to go over about ChatGPT, videos and everything inside that event group. It's private, so you have to register to be a part of that so that you can get the same information for the in-person guests will have. Okay. If you have any questions, any concerns, please comment below and I'll see you there. ChatGPT, it's your friend. Okay.